No.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening, sir.
Okay, good evening, Chanakya. Good evening. Right. So just 1 minute. Which topic? You are doing natural phenomena assignment, right?
Yes, sir.
What, sir? Your voice is not clear.
Is it not clear?
Yeah,
Yes,
now
sir,
it's
it
clear.
is clear.
Okay.
Sir, what are we going to discuss today?
Since in the last class we discussed with the natural phenomena, today we would like to discuss with. I think we can start with metals. We have a chapter metals. Do you have the chapter metals?
Sorry, sir.
Metals. Is there a chapter as metals?
Yes, sir. Metals and non-metals we have, sir.
Yeah, I think you have metals and non-metals. You also have acid bases also, I think. Do you have acid bases?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Okay.
No,
Okay, all right.
It's a kind of
Okay.
content like that we have in the circuit chapter, electric current chapter.
Okay, okay, nothing. So we'll start with
Sir, shall we do
Yeah.
some numerical
Which one? Numerical?
about electricity, sir?
Numerical about
On electricity, sir. Electricity.
electricity. No, currently we are not doing that. I don't think there are any numericals in your texts.
Why, sir? You know.
No, for electric current there are there, but not in your text. They are not there in your text anywhere.
You know that, right, sir?
Hmm?
You know that numerical stuff, sir.
Yeah, I know about the calculation of current and potential.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Then let's do, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah, obviously they are there.
Can you explain and will we solve some problems, sir?
All right. For that will take some time. Just to
Pure theory is not boring, sir.
okay. So okay, Venkat Rudra is not able to unmute. Right. Okay, how many of you have your exams in the month of Feb? Right, maybe within a week or next week.
We have exams on March, sir. March first week.
Yes, sir.
March 1st.
So they have exam on March 1st. From March
Alright.
1st.
All right. So I think most of you have your exams in the month of March.
Yes.
So I think what we can do, we should carry on with the revision of each chapter. So whatever chapters are left on, we should carry their revision. Right?
Sir,
Okay.
Sir Rudra is saying that he have exams from 5th, 13th.
From
This
5th
February 13th.
to February 13th. Right. Okay. Okay, so will anyone read out the chapter names that are there in your book?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Just tell me the chapter names which are there, because I really forget those things.
Sir, I'm reading, sir.
Okay, just what's the first chapter?
Sir, like not only biology, sorry, not only chemistry and physics, no, all.
Yeah, all.
Okay, sir. Sir, I have crop production management,
Okay.
microorganisms, coal and petroleum,
All right.
combustion and flame,
Okay.
reproduction animals,
All right.
Reaching the age of adolescence.
Mhm.
Force and pressure.
Okay.
Friction, sound,
Okay. All right. Okay. So
chemical,
see, chemical effects of electric current and natural phenomena.
and light also, sir.
Light. Oh, light is also there.
Yes, sir.
All right. So, so we have completed all the chapters. So these are the list of the chapters we will continue with, which will continue with the revision.
Yes, sir.
See, first of all, we'll start with coal and petroleum, then combustion flame, then force and friction we have already done. Sound. After that, we'll be taking sound, and after sound, we'll take light. All right. So today we start with coal and petroleum. So first of all, we study what coal is and why it is important. So both coal and petroleum, they are fossil fuels. So coal and petroleum, they are fossil fuels, and they are very important for any nation. That means most of the energy production of a nation, it depends on the fossil fuels, like the coal and petroleum. The vehicles which are running, they are running on petroleum or petrol products. Apart from the vehicles, there are a number of other products which are used. There are there are a number of other things which are used as a petroleum products. Okay, so we'll see what are the different products for the petroleum and how do we utilize them. Then we'll see here about coal. So first of all, coal, it is basically carbon. Okay. So coal is made up of carbon. So how it is made up? So coal is basically it's made up of carbon, and we know that carbon has a high calorific value. Carbon can be used as a fuel. So that is why coal is used as a fuel. Okay, it's a form of carbon. So different types of carbon, different types of coal, they contain different amounts of carbon present in them. Okay. So you have the main content is the carbon. Apart from carbon, there are other contents also present in coal. Like it may contain sulfur and some other elements which can be present in traces. Some other gases which can be present in coal. There are some other substances which can be present in coal, like even moisture can be present. Now, how was coal formed? By knowing the composition of the coal, that what coal consists of, by knowing its composition, we were able to find out that what coal is made, how was the coal made. Pranav, what happened? Pranav?
Sir,
Yeah, what happened?
I have a doubt, sir.
Yeah, what's your doubt?
In destructive distillation, without air, how it combusts, sir? Like how it produces heat.
See, in destructive distillation of coal, you are not combusting it. You are not burning it. Okay, you are just heating it. You are supplying heat. You are not burning it.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so when you are heating, the different substances which are present in coal, they get removed from it depending on their melting and boiling points. Like, suppose this is a piece of coal. Okay. So just now you showed some symbol. That's why I asked you what's your doubt. Okay. So here you have coal, and this coal is made up of a number of substances. All right. So what those substances whatever those substances are, you are not burning it. Burning means reacting with oxygen. So you are not burning it. You are just increasing its temperature. You are heating it. So in a closed container, you are heating this. Okay. So when you heat this, let's say here we have a container, and in this container we kept it, and now we are heating it. So if you heat it, its temperature rises. Suppose it contains some amount of sulfur. It contains some amount of nitrogen. All right. It may contain some amount of hydrogen in it. Now, when the boiling point of the gases is reached, okay, when the boiling point of these gases is reached, so those gases, they come out of this coal. They move out of the coal since they turn out into gases. So when they move out of it, they create some pores in carbon. So whatever substances it is made up of, most of the substances, so those which can be turned into the gaseous state, they turn into the gaseous state. Those which can be turned into the liquid state, they get turned into the liquid state. Got it? Okay. So now, in this way, we are able to separate all the contents of all the components of this code. Is it okay, Pranav?
Yes, sir.
Pranav,
Okay, sir.
is your doubt clear?
Yes, sir.
So we are not burning it. If we would be burning it, it would carbon will burn to produce carbon dioxide or carbon monoxide. But it's not burning. You are just heating, increasing its temperature in the absence of oxygen. Okay, anyone else having doubt? So what are the products that are obtained from here? You obtain a gas, which is a mixture of a number of gases. That gas we call as coal gas. Okay. You obtain liquid substances, some mixture of the liquid substances over here. So those liquid substances which are obtained, they are called as coal tar. It's a mixture of a number of chemicals. So this is your coal tar. So coal tar is a mixture of a number of substances. Coal gas is also a mixture of a number of substances, a number of gases. Now, what are the uses of coal tar?
It is used in metallic roads, sir.
They are used in,
Metallic roads
okay, coal tar is used in metaling of roads
and
and
uh,
yes,
uh, and perfume, sir.
okay,
Sir,
making
making
perfumes,
of tires, sir.
okay, making perfumes, paints, dyes,
Bombs.
that a number of chemicals
Explosives,
are
sir.
extracted
Explosives.
from this coal tar. Yes,
Explosives, sir.
explosive also. A few explosives, they are also made from coal tar. Got it? Okay. So these are the uses of coal tar. Now you have the coal gas. So coal gas was used in earlier days for light, street lighting. Nowadays, they don't have such uses. Okay.
Sir, even it is used as a fuel in many.
Which one? Yeah, what happened?
Coal gas As a fuel in many industries.
Yeah, it can be used as a fuel in industries. It can be used for lighting, heating, or cooking purposes. Okay. It can also be used to produce electricity, but the amount of coal gas should be sufficient. Okay, so these are the uses of coal gas. Now, how was coal formed? And what are the different types of coal? So, Charantej, what are the different types of coal?
Sir,
Charantej? Yeah, what are the different types of coal?
so different types of coal are, sir, you mean the substance obtained by the coal?
Yeah.
Sir,
No,
those
not the substance obtained by coal. What are the different varieties?
are
Yeah.
lignite.
What did lignite? Very good. So you have this
Sir, those
peat,
are peat,
lignite.
lignite,
Okay,
bituminous, and
peat, lignite,
anthracite.
bituminous, and anthracite.
Anthracite. Sir, anthracite is 90% coal, bituminous is 70% coal, lignite is 40% coal, and peat is mostly vegetable matter.
Okay, so peat is 40% generally.
No, sir, peat is less than 40. Lignite
Yeah.
is 40%, bituminous is 70%, and anthracite is 90.
Okay. So anthracite is greater than 90%.
Yes.
Bituminous is between 60 to 80, or 60 to 60 or 70 to 90. Okay, it's 60
Sir,
to
peat is less than 40, sir. And anthracite,
peat. Yeah, peat is less than 40, and lignite is between 40 to 60. All right. So bituminous 60 to, just 1 minute. I think I'm getting wrong. It bituminous is 70 to 90%. Okay, lignite is somewhere 50 to 70%. Okay, the others they are peat. Lesser than 50 or 40% is peat. So these are the four different varieties of coal. Anthracite is the best variety of coal. Now, can anyone tell me some of the uses of coal? Pranav will tell. Pranav, what are the uses of coal? Pranav? Yeah. Pranav, are you there? Pranav? Zubair, can you tell me some of the uses?
Yes, sir.
Okay, some of the uses of coal.
Sir, coal is used in making of roads, sir.
Making of?
Roads, sir.
No, not coal. It's coal tar is being used. Coal is not used.
Also.
sir, coal is used for the production of electricity.
Okay, coal is used for production of electricity in thermal power plants.
Sir, earlier it was used in railway
Making of
tracks.
light bulbs, sir.
Okay, so coal, first of all, it is used in thermal power plants to generate electricity. Okay, what was the earlier uses?
Sir, making light, sir.
Sir, they
Making
were
Making of street lights, sir.
no, not street lights. Street lights were not lightened by coal. They
sir,
were lightened by
early
coal gas.
coal was used for railway tracks, sir.
Not railway tracks. Coal was used. It was used by railway or to run
Railway.
locomotives. Yeah, it was used to run locomotives or railway engines
Okay, sir.
or train engines. Any other uses?
Sir, it is even used as
It is used for. It is
it
used
is
for.
even fuel as many industries.
It is used by many industries. Which industries? Like
Sir, like mainly where the production of coal is there.
for the production of
Sir, I mean that
iron industry. Okay.
yes, sir.
So coal, it is used. It is used for production of iron. It is used for production of iron in iron industry. Okay. Or you can say extraction of iron, not production. Production would be the wrong word. We would say extraction of iron. Okay. So it's fine. Now the purest form of coal is your coke, which is about 99% pure.
Sir,
So
carbon.
Hmm?
Purest form of coal.
Yeah, that's anthracite. No, not anthracite. Coke that is obtained after the destructive distillation of coal. So after the destructive distillation of coal, it is used as we we extract. We use this coke. This one which is left over here. This we call as coke. So eventually, if I define coke, I can say that coke, it is the purest form of carbon, or it is about, it is obtained, it is a porous material obtained after destructive distillation of coal. It has pores in it, obtained after destructive distillation. Destructive distillation of coal. So it is the purest form, it is about 99%. Any other problems? Now this was about coal. Next we come to how was coal made? Gagana, Gagana, can you tell how was coal made? Gagana, are you there? Gagana, Sai Karthik. Okay, so I think your voice is not working properly.
Hello, sir.
Yeah,
Hello.
yeah, Sai Karthik.
Sir, coal is made with the dead particles of plants and animals, which is pressured by the solid, and coal is made with the help of heat and pressure.
Okay, so it's not animals, remember? Can anyone tell how is coal made?
Sir,
Sir, through carbonization.
Yeah,
sir,
Pranava.
under lot of pressure and under lot of pressure because of natural disasters, um, the actually the trees are digged into the earth, And under the deep pressure and heat, carbonization process will happen, sir, from trees.
Sir, can I tell?
So,
Sir, and the process is called qualification.
No, not qualifying, carbonization.
Carbonization,
so
sir.
as time passes, they will become coal, sir. The plants
Okay.
will become coal through the process of carbonization under deep
Coal
pressure.
is made. Coal was made when when a number of trees got buried under the earth due to some natural calamities. Okay. So maybe there was some natural calamity because of which they got buried under the earth. Okay. Under the intense heat and pressure, intense heat and pressure, it got converted to coal. Got it? How the coal was formed? The process is called what is the name of
Sir,
the process?
the process
Carbonization.
of conversion of wood into coal.
Yeah, the process of conversion of wood into coal is called as carbonization. Okay. So this was about coal. And now one more thing is that you should know where all we find the reserves of coal in India. Where all coal is found in India, that we need to know. Now we move on to petroleum, which is also called as black gold. Okay. So petroleum is also called as black gold, and it is extracted because the petroleum is again extracted from under the sea or under the earth.
It comes with the dead remains of animals and aquatic animals, sir.
Okay, see, generally we have very large aquatic animals. You see, very large aquatic animals like the blue whale and the other fishes which are there. They have a high amounts of fatty acids present in their body. Okay, so when they got buried under the earth, their bodies got converted into petroleum. Okay, so how it was guessed, like their body contains a lot of fatty acids or fats in there. So that's why it got converted to petroleum. Those fatty acids or those oils, they got converted to petroleum. See how we can say that. Next is petroleum. Petroleum, it is a black dark liquid. It is a black liquid obtained from under the earth crust. So from under the earth's crust, we obtain petroleum. Alright. So this petroleum, it is a mixture of a number of chemicals which are obtained by the fractional distillation of petroleum. So just like by the destructive distillation of coal, we obtain different products. In the same way, by the distillation of petroleum also, we obtain different products. And the distillation of petroleum is called as the fractional distillation of petroleum. Got it?
Yes, sir.
So now what are the products that we obtain from petroleum? We'll see by the fractional distillation of petroleum what all we obtain. Then petroleum, it's also called as black gold. Is it called as black gold?
Yes, sir.
So since they are very necessary, these both coal and petroleum, they are necessary for the development of a nation. They provide energy needs. For example, in India, even about 70% of the electrical requirements, they are fulfilled by coal. It is the petroleum which keeps the country running. So both coal and petroleum, they are important reserves for a country, important resources for a
Sir, I have a doubt.
country. Yeah.
Sir, if they ask in the exam why
Hmm.
petrol is called as black gold, so we should write because the crude oil obtained from it is black.
First of all, it's a black liquid. Okay, and it is very significant for any nation's development. Okay, it is black color and it is very significant for the development of a nation. Alright. Now, what are the oil reserves? So, oil reserves, they are located in different parts of India. First of all, where we detect them, from there we try to extract the crude oil. The oil that we extract, we also call it as the crude oil.
Okay, sir.
Crude oil. Now, this crude oil which we obtain, it is a mixture of a number of substances. So, what are the products that we obtain from it? Can you tell what are the products that we obtain from crude oil or petroleum?
So from petroleum and crude oil.
Yeah, from petroleum and from both are same, petroleum or crude oil, they are same.
Sir,
Which
diesel.
one?
Sir, we get chemicals, plastics, uh, gas, gasoline, jet fuel,
Gasoline. All right,
Sir,
gasoline.
candle wax.
Yeah.
paraffin
Sir,
wax,
candle wax.
lubricating oils.
Okay,
So
lubricating oil.
paraffin wax,
Okay, so you must.
plastics.
Okay, you obtain different products like gasoline, paraffin wax, lubricating oil. A number of products they are obtained from this coal, right? Okay, so bye all of you. We'll see you again in next class. And in next class, we'll start with a new chapter. Let's just review this chapter
So
and
from
see if you,
petroleum we get fuels, sir.
petroleum itself is a fuel. So from petroleum, you get gasoline, diesel that is used in vehicles.
Yes, sir. Sir, can you show the before slide, sir? For me?
Uh, uh,
Yes, 1 minute.
okay. So bye everyone.
Thank you, sir.
So next,
There are so many messages, so I didn't see them. So sorry. Whoever sent it, all right. Jubair Rudra, all right, okay.
thank
Okay, bye.